lesson 8, make sure that your listening is at the very least at the plus sign. If moving the speed up to the plus sign is too fast for you, you could do it incrementally. You could do unit 1, 1 bar higher, unit 2, another bar higher, unit 3, another bar higher, until you reach the plus sign. Once you reach the plus sign and you feel confident, then just leave it there for the rest of the listening abacus units. And then on lesson 9, we will go to top speed. Now, if you are at top speed and you can handle it and you're happy with it, then leave it. Even better. Awesome. Good for you. But again, if you can't, do not worry. Just inch your way up slowly with each unit and make sure that you finish the last few units on the plus sign. If you finish and you still feel a little shaky, you can always repeat any 80s and 90s for extra practice. You get an extra coin, so you do get rewarded for improving your score, and you get to practice some more. Now let's walk through unit 1 of lesson 8. Okay, let's do 46 plus 6, so 6 up and then 10. We have to add 10, so add 5 tens minus 4 tens. Now we have to minus 7. How can we minus 7? Well, we have to remember, to minus 7, we have to minus 10 and add 3, or do 7 down. But we don't have a 10. So how do we minus a 10? Remember, we're going to minus 10 and 7 down. How do we minus 10? We minus 5 tens and add 4 tens. And that is how you minus the 10. And now just do 7 down. And now the next number is add 21. So to add 20, we add 5 tens minus 3 tens. And then we just add 1. So the answer is 66. Here we have 33 plus 18. Remember, 18 is 2 different steps. We first add the 10 of 18. Then we add the 8. We cannot add the 8, so we have to minus 2 and add 10. We go to minus 2 and we add 10, but because our tens are full, we add 5 tens minus 4 tens. Now we have to minus 9, but we see that we cannot minus 9. So remember, to minus 9, you have to minus 10 and add 1. We minus 10 from here and add 1, but we don't have a 10 to minus. So how do we minus 10 from the 50? We take away 5 tens and add 4 tens. That's how you minus 10. And now just add the 1, which is the family of 9. Now plus 30, 5 tens minus 2 tens, and now plus 3, 5 minus 2. Answer is 75. Okay, now we have 27 plus 26. So we add 20 first, and then we add 6. To add 6, we do 6 up and 10. Our tens are full, so to add that 1 10, we have to do 5 minus 4 tens. Now we have to minus 8. We cannot minus 8, so we have to minus 10 and add 2, or minus 10 and do 8 down. So because we don't have a minus 10, we have to minus 5 tens and add 4 tens. So that's how you minus 10, and then do 8 down. And now plus 42 is add 5 tens minus 1 10, and now add 2. So the answer is 87. 49 plus 7. To plus 7, we have to minus 3 and add 10. To add 1 10, we add 5 tens minus 4 tens. Now we minus 8. We cannot minus 8, so we minus 10 and we add 2. To minus 10, we add minus 50, add 40, and then we add the 2 of the 8. And now plus 21, so we add 5 tenths minus 3 tenths, and then we add the 1. So the answer is 69. 44 plus 9. To add 9, we take away 1 and we add 10. 5 minus 4 tenths. Now we have to minus 6. To minus 6, we have to minus 10 and do 6 down, or add 4. So how do we minus 10? We minus 5 tenths and add 4 tenths. That's how we minus 10. And then we do the 6 down, or add 4, same thing. Okay, now plus 8. We take away 2 and we add 10. Oh, because we can't add 10, we add 5 tenths and minus 4 tenths. And our answer is 55. Here we have 43 plus 8. To add 8, we take away 2 and we add 10. We don't have tenths to add, so we add 5 tenths and we minus 4 tenths. Now we have to minus 3. We cannot minus 3, so we minus 10 and we add 7. Minus 10 first. Because we don't have a 10 right here to minus from, we take away 50 and add 40. And now we can add the 7. And now plus 35. To add 30, we do 50 minus 20. And to add 5, it's minus 5, add 10. Answer is 83. Here we have 45 plus 6. To plus 6, we take away 4 and add 10. Or we do 6 up and 10. So 6 up, and now our 10, 5 minus 4 tenths. And now minus 2. To minus 2, we minus 10 first, and then we add the 8. In order to minus 10, we minus the 50 and add 40. And now let's add our 8. And now plus 11. So we have to add 1 10 first. We have to break it down. So we add 1 10 first, then we take away the 40. And now we have to add 1. So we take away 9 and we add 10. And our answer is 60. 23 plus 29. We cannot add 9, so we take away 1 and we add 10. In order to add 10, we have to add 5 tenths and minus 4 tenths. Now we minus 6. To minus 6, we minus 10 and add 4, or minus 10 and do 6 down. It's the same thing. So first let's minus 10. Minus 5 tenths and add 4 tenths. And now we do 6 down. And now plus 7, which is 7 up and 10. Or minus 3, add 10. Okay, so we do 7 up and 10. Whoops, we don't have a 10. So to add that 1 10 that we still need to add, we add 5 tenths and minus 4 tenths. And our answer is 53. 45 plus 6. To add 6, you do 6 up and 10. Or minus 4, add 10. So let's do 6 up and 10. Our 10s are full. We don't have a 10, so we can add 5 tenths and minus 4 tenths. Now minus 7. To minus 7, we minus 10 and we add 3. So we have to minus 10 first by minusing 50 and adding 40. And then we add the 3. Now we add 20. So we add 5 tenths minus 3 tenths. And then we add 3, which is add 5 minus 2. And the answer is 67. 43 plus 8 is take away 2 and add 10. 5 minus 4 tenths. And now minus 9. To minus 9, we have to minus 10 and add 1. In order to minus 110, we have to take away 50 and add 40. And then we can add the 1. Now plus 31. So we add 50 minus 20. And then we add 1. Answer 73.